If the microphone in your Kia Sportage is not working, you may notice that people can't hear you clearly during calls, or the voice command system is not responding. In this video, I will show you how to replace the microphone in this 4th generation Kia Sportage. The microphone is built into the overhead console, the panel that houses the map lights and sunroof switch. You will see it mounted right in the middle, positioned to pick up your voice clearly from the driver and passenger seats. To access it, you will have to remove the overhead console. Begin by opening the sunglasses holder. Inside, you will find 2 Phillips head screws. Remove these screws. When lowering the overhead console, it is important to know exactly where to start. Never pull down from the back edge, the side facing the rear seats, because there are hidden hooks there that can snap if you force them. The same goes for the left and the right sides. Those are not designed to release first. The correct place to begin is at the front edge, the side closest to the rear view mirror and windshield. That's where the release clips are located. Use a plastic trim tool and carefully slide it between the headliner and the front of the console. Then gently pry it downward until the clips let go. Be careful here, because there are several wiring connectors attached to the back of the unit. Disconnect the connectors by pressing the release tabs and pulling them straight out. Now you can remove the console completely. Flip the console over and you will see the microphone module mounted inside. It is a small rectangular piece secured with 2 screws. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screws. After removing the screws, just lift up the microphone from the console. Here is a close-up of the microphone. This is the part number. Now take your replacement microphone and place it back into its slot in the center of the console. Make sure it's seated properly, then secure it with the 2 screws. Tighten them evenly so the microphone stays firmly in place. Once the new microphone is installed, you can reinstall the overhead console. Hold the console close to the ceiling and reconnect all the wiring harnesses. Make sure each connector clicks firmly into place. Next, align the rear hooks of the console with their slots in the headliner. Before lifting up the front, look around the edge of the headliner. If you see any fabric sticking out, use a plastic trim tool to carefully tuck it back under for a neat factory-like finish. Once the rear hooks are seated, pivot the front edge of the console upward. Gently press along the front until you hear the retaining clips snap back into place. Finally, reinstall the 2 screws inside the sunglasses holder. Tighten them securely with a Phillips head screwdriver, then close the holder. At this point, the console should sit flush against the ceiling with no gaps, and everything should look just like it did before you started. Now test the microphone by making a call or trying the voice command system to confirm everything works properly. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to VJoin for more Kia Sportage repair guides. Thanks for watching.